Ever had that moment when you realize the crypto world is more unpredictable than a caffeinated squirrel on a roller coaster? Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to Zaki Crypto Update, where we dissect the market with the precision of a laser-guided scalpel and the humor of a stand-up comic at a blockchain convention. Today, we're diving into a sizzling analysis that sets XRP's short and long-term targets in an explosive narrative that might just redefine your crypto expectations. Hello, fellow crypto adventurers. I'm Zaki, your guide through the chaotic, exhilarating, and sometimes downright absurd world of cryptocurrencies. Today's update isn't just another routine crypto briefing, it's a rollercoaster ride through technical charts, Fibonacci magic, and market sentiment that could leave your head spinning faster than a decentralized node under a high transaction load. Buckle up, because we're about to explore the intriguing journey of XRP, a digital asset that's been consolidating between $2.40 and $2.70 over the past week. If you're new here, welcome to a community that values wit, insight, and a healthy dose of skepticism when it comes to market trends. Stick around because in just a few minutes, we'll reveal how a seasoned analyst, known in some circles as xrpnews, has set ambitious short-term targets at $4.30 and $6.40, along with a long-term vision of reaching as high as $67. And if you think that's impressive, wait until we dive into the wild ride of bullish and bearish scenarios that might make you question everything you thought you knew about crypto investments. We're talking technical breakouts, Fibonacci extensions, and resistance levels with historical significance, all sprinkled with a touch of humor that only Zaki Crypto Update can deliver. Let's get into the meat of today's discussion. Our focus is on XRP, an asset that has been trading around $2.59, reflecting a slight decline of 3% in the past 24 hours. Despite this minor setback, the market analyst has his eyes firmly set on the horizon. According to his detailed technical analysis, the short-term narrative for XRP is dominated by bullish momentum. He points out that XRP is nearing a critical resistance zone at the $3 mark, a level that, much like a notoriously stubborn traffic jam on Valentine's Day, has halted its progress in previous rallies. Picture this: on February 14th, a day typically reserved for love and chocolate, XRP attempted to make a passionate leap only to be met with resistance at $2.83. That moment not only signified a barrier but also set the stage for a consolidation phase that has persisted since. The analyst's strategy is built around the premise that a breakout above the $3 threshold could serve as the catalyst for a dramatic upward surge. With a keen eye on Fibonacci extensions, he identifies potential short-term price targets at $4.30 and $6.40. These levels represent not just incremental gains, but a staggering 66% to 147% increase from the current trading price. Imagine if your morning coffee suddenly doubled in strength. XRP could be that bold in its ascent. This isn't mere number crunching, it's a narrative that ties historical resistance with modern technical projections, weaving a story that is as engaging as it is mathematically precise. Now, let's shift gears to the long-term outlook, which in the world of crypto can be as thrilling as a blockbuster movie sequel. The same analyst, xrpnews, unveils a projection that dares to dream big. He highlights a parabolic ARC formation, a technical pattern that unfolds in three distinct phases, each building on the momentum of the previous one. Should this formation persist, the analysis suggests that XRP could soar to levels between $33 and $60 in the foreseeable future. And for those who relish a good technical challenge, a confirmed breakout from the Fibonacci 1.618 level, situated at $6.40, would validate this bullish scenario further. Beyond that, the roadmap includes significant milestones at $8, $13, $27, and an ambitious $67, each representing successive stages of a bullish crescendo that could redefine XRP's market identity. But as any savvy crypto investor knows, the market isn't all rainbows and unicorns. The analyst also presents a balanced view, weighing the bullish narrative against potential bearish pitfalls. The pivot here is the $3 level. A successful push beyond this point could spell bullish confirmation, while failure might trigger a retracement to the $1.90 $2.00 corridor, a zone that has historically acted as a sturdy support level. If the momentum stalls further, we could even witness a plunge towards the $0.90 $1.00 mark, a scenario that would undoubtedly send shockwaves through the crypto community. This dual outlook underscores the inherent volatility of the market, reminding us that while the prospects are tantalizing, the risks are equally formidable. Now, here's my 2 Satoshis worth of opinion. The current market sentiment surrounding XRP is as dynamic as a crypto trader's emotions on a Monday morning. While the technical analysis presents a compelling bullish case, the underlying volatility should be a cautionary tale for any investor. It's a bit like riding a roller coaster in the dark, thrilling, unpredictable, and not for the faint of heart. Yet, that very unpredictability is what makes crypto an endlessly fascinating field. Whether you're a diehard hodler or a speculative day trader, the story of XRP's potential breakout offers a microcosm of the broader market's ebbs and flows. Before we proceed further into the depths of XRP's potential, I want to pause for a moment and remind you to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Your support not only fuels this channel but also ensures you're always in the loop with the most compelling crypto insights. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on the next wave of updates that could very well change your investment game. Continuing with our deep dive, let's explore the psychological aspect of these technical levels. Resistance zones like the one at $3 are not merely numbers on a chart, they represent a collective mindset, a psychological barrier that traders and investors alike have come to recognize. When XRP attempts to breach this level, it's akin to the market collectively holding its breath, waiting for a signal that confirms a new chapter. This moment is both a test and an opportunity, a veritable crossroads where optimism meets caution. While technical analysis offers us a roadmap, it's ultimately the market's sentiment that will dictate the journey forward. It's also worth noting that while these projections are based on historical data and technical formations, the crypto space is notorious for its susceptibility to external influences. Regulatory news, global economic shifts, and even viral social media trends can all play a role in reshaping the market landscape in an instant. That's why, even as we dissect these charts with the enthusiasm of a detective in a noir film, it's important to remember that investing in crypto requires both analytical rigor and a pinch of humility. The market has a way of humbling even the most seasoned analysts, proving time and again that in crypto, nothing is ever guaranteed. Before I wrap up, here's an essential disclaimer. This analysis is based solely on my interpretation of current technical data and market trends. I'm a financial advisor, and this content should not be construed as investment advice. Always conduct your own research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. The crypto market is volatile, and while the prospects are enticing, so are the risks. Keep your wits about you, invest responsibly, and remember that past performance is not indicative of future results. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into XRP's potential. If you enjoyed this update, please like, share, and subscribe to Zaki Crypto Update. Explore more videos on our channel for additional insights and laughter. Until next time, stay curious and invest wisely always, friends.